Hello student, very good morning to all. Today we are going to teach the remaining lesson of the corporate finance secretarial practice for the 12th standard based on the new pattern and syllabus. Before explaining this slide, I'll just give you the reminder that in the previous video we have discussed about the meaning of the finance. We have discussed about the corporate and the combined meaning of the corporate finance, including the meaning and the explanation. So second thing is related to the decision making by the finance manager. So being a finance manager, you have to be ensure about the two things. First one is given finance decision. Second one is decision related to investment. What is finance decision? Finance decision is related to the funding availability from the different sources. It may be from the on capital, it may be borrowed from the various sources. Investment decision is based on the profit, based on the earning by the business. So you have to be ensured about both the things as a finance manager. This slide explains something about the financial decision. What is financial decision? Every business want to fulfill financial need. Firm has multiple choices to collect finance from the various sources. जैसे कि इसमें लिखा है कि जो बिजनेस होता है दैट इज रिक्वायर फंडिंग, सो यू हैव अ मल्टीपल ऑप्शन. You may introduce your own capital through the shares, or you may borrow the money from the various sources. It include bank, it include loan, it include public deposits, it include debenture or etc. Investment decision. Once the funds generated, once the fund finalized or capital finalized, finance manager has to take decision for the best use of the funds. Maximum utilization of the capital. That means once you decided your capital, once you decided your funding, you have to use your fund for the maximum utilization. All the firms and the business want maximum return from their इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो यहाँ पे मीनिंग क्या निकलता है कि हर बिजनेस को क्या चाहिए? मैक्सिमम रिटर्न चाहिए. किससे रिटर्न चाहिए? बिजनेस से. वॉट एवर यू इन्वेस्टेड इन द बिजनेस, यू वांट द मैक्सिमम रिटर्न फ्रॉम योर इन्वेस्टमेंट. Once the cost of the capital decided, investor can take decision for the investment policy for the maximum return. Third point, cost of capital should be minimum from their returns. Whatever you invested in the business, that should be lower from your profit. That means profit ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, आपका cost of capital कम होनी चाहिए. So being a manager, you have to take two decisions. First decision was based on the financial decision where we discuss about the sources. Second decision related to the investment decision where we discuss about the maximum return from your investment. Now the next topic, importance of the finance, importance of corporate finance. हर बिजनेस में, corporate business में importance क्यों होती है? So first we read the heading, then we will go one by one with the explanation. हेल्प इन डिसीजन मेकिंग. फाइनेंस क्या करता है? आपको डिसीजन मेकिंग में हेल्प करता है. सेकेंड, हेल्प इन रेजिंग कैपिटल फॉर अ प्रोजेक्ट, हेल्प इन रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, हेल्प इन स्मूथ रनिंग ऑफ बिजनेस फॉर्म. नेक्स्ट वन इज ब्रिंग coordination between various activity. Next one is promoters expansion and diversification, managing risk, replace of old assets, payment of dividend and interest, payment of taxes and fees. First important, I took this picture from the textbook. Reason is that you people will understand your syllabus as well as you will understand the meaning of the paragraph. First, help in decision making. Decision making means related to your funding, related to your profit. Most of the important decision of the business enterprise are determined on the basis of the availability of the fund. आपका decision किस पर based होता है? Based on your available things, based on your available funding. It is difficult to perform any function of the business enterprise independently without the finance. बिना finance के, without the finance, without the money, you cannot take any decision. So decision must be based on the availability of the funds. Next paragraph, every decision in the business is needed to taken keeping in view of its impact on the profitability. Every business want to earn the money, so your business, your decision should be based on the profit, should be based on the profitability of the activity. There may be a number of the alternate, but the management is required to select the best one which will enhance profitability. Business organization can give green signal to the project only when it is financially viable. हर बिजनेस क्या करेगा? यू कैन सी बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैन गिव ग्रीन सिग्नल. अपना सिग्नल तभी आप दे सकते हैं, अपने प्रोजेक्ट को तभी अप्रूवल दे सकते हैं व्हेन यू थिंक दैट इट इज फाइनेंशियल वेएबल. दैट मीन्स आपका जो प्रोजेक्ट है दैट वुड बी सक्सेसफुल. तो हेल्प इन फाइनेंस, हेल्प इन डिसीजन मेकिंग मीन्स first of all you have to think about the basis availability of the fund. Then second decision you have to take related to your return from your business. Second importance, help in raising capital for a project. Whenever you start a business you need the funds. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Whenever a business forms to start a new venture, it's need to raise capital. Business firm can raise fund by issuing share, debenture, bonds, and even by taking loan from the bank. So whenever you are going to start the new project, whenever you are going to start your business unit, you need funding, and funds can be raised from the different sources through issuing the shares, debentures, bonds. Even you can take the loan from the banks or from the institution also. What is the conclusion of the paragraph? You can see project require more capital or funds. It may be collected from the various sources. That means on capital or maybe a borrowed capital. Third importance, help in research and the development. As you know, the research and development is a lengthy process. Why we do the research and development? Research and development always helpful for the growth, always helpful to adopt the new technology. First we will read the paragraph. Research and development must be undertaken for the growth and expansion of the business. क्यों किया जाता है? क्यों important है? ग्रोथ के लिए और एक्सपेंशन के लिए. Detailed technical work is required for the execution of the project. Research and development is a lengthy process and therefore funds have to be made available throughout the research work. This would require continuous financial support. That means whenever you are thinking to do the research and development in the business, you require the continuous funding in your project. So without the funding, without the money, without the finance, you cannot start the research and development. You can see the conclusion. Research and development is a lengthy process. For continuity of the work, it requires the availability of the funding. Fourth importance, help in smooth running of the business. Smooth running of business means continuity of the work. A smooth flow of corporate finance is needed so that salary of the employee are paid on time, loans are cleared out on time, raw material is purchased whenever required, sales promotion of existing project is carried out smoothly, and new product can be launched effectively. That means smooth running of the business. If you want to continue your business on the lengthy process, and you don't want to need it stop at any place or at any time, you have to maintain the smooth running. स्मूथ रनिंग कैसी होगी? थ्रू योर फाइनेंस, थ्रू योर फंड्स, थ्रू योर मनी. व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन ऑफ द पैराग्राफ? Every activity of the business require funds for paying day-to-day operation. It includes salary of the employee. अगर आपके एम्प्लॉय को सैलरी नहीं मिलेगी तो क्या होगा? आपका बिजनेस सर्वाइव नहीं करेगा. तो क्या है? देयर आर सम एक्सपेंसेस विच रिक्वायर द फंडिंग अवेलेबिलिटी टू पे आउट द ड्यूज. जैसे सैलरी हो गया, रॉ मटेरियल हो गया, EMIs हो गया. तो फॉर द स्मूथ रनिंग ऑफ द बिजनेस यू रिक्वायर द फाइनेंस मैनेजमेंट. Next slide. Fifth importance, bring coordination between the various activity. Being a finance manager, whenever you maintain your management with the various departments, that is helpful for making the business at the profit level. We will read the paragraph first. Corporate finance plays significant role in control and coordination of all activity in an organization. कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस क्या करता है? इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है किसमें? कंट्रोल और कोऑर्डिनेशन में. इट इंक्लूड व्हाट? प्रोडक्शन विल सफर. प्रोडक्शन क्या होगा? आपका सफर करेगा. इफ फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट डजंट प्रोवाइड एडुकेट फाइनेंस फॉर द परचेज ऑफ द रॉ मटेरियल. इफ यू थिंक दैट कि यू वांट टू डू द प्रोडक्शन and your funding is not available, so what will happen? Your production will suffer. It will affect your sales or it will affect your profit also. Meeting and other day-to-day finance requirement for smooth running of the production unit. Due to this, sales will also suffer, and constantly the income of the concern as well as the rate of the profit will be affected. Thus, efficiency of every department depend upon the effective financial management. So, what is the meaning of this paragraph? Conclusion: corporate finance play an important role to maintain the relation between the various departments. Lack of the communication affect the business. So, you need to maintain your relationship with the various departments so that activity can be performed on the particular time period and your business can work smoothly. Next important, promotes expansion and the diversification. Expansion means growth of the business when you want to increase your business. Diversification means when you want to diversify, you want to open it your new branches. So we will read the paragraph first. Modern machine and modern techniques are required for expansion and the diversification. Modern ज़माने में आपको क्या चाहिए? You require modern machinery, modern techniques for expansion of the business. Corporate finance provide money to purchase modern machine and the technology. Therefore, finance become mandatory for expansion and the diversification of the company. You want to promote your business, you want to expand your business, you want to open it your new branches. So what is required? Finance is required. So whenever you require the finance, you have to be assured about your management for your money. What is the conclusion of the paragraph? Enhancing the business or growth of the business require the finance. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. मैनेजिंग रिस्क. रिस्क क्या होता है? आपका लॉस. लॉस मतलब जब आपका बिजनेस क्या कर सकता है? सरवाइव कर सकता है. लेट्स सी, वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग. कंपनी हैज टू मैनेज सेवरल रिस्क. बहुत सारे रिस्क होते हैं जो आपको मैनेज करने हैं, सच एज सडन फॉल इन सेल्स, लॉस ड्यू टू द नेचुरल कैलामिटी, लॉस ड्यू टू स्ट्राइक. Company need financial aid to manage such risks. As you can see, we people are living in the current situation. What is the situation? Through a virus, we people are surviving. Many people, they have become unemployed. So this is one of the situation of the natural calamity. So being a finance manager, you have to be insured to secure the company from the various risks. It may be related to sales, it may be related to natural calamity, it may be related to the strike, or maybe another thing. Conclusion, that means sudden incident losses may affect the business. So you have to maintain your funding, you have to maintain your finance for the future requirement. Replace old asset. This is your heading. Replace old assets. Why you want to replace the old assets? Reason is that whenever you think that your old assets, your old techniques not suitable for your business, you want to replace it, right? So such assets as plant and machinery become old and outdated over the year. They have to be replaced by new assets. Finance is required to purchase the new assets. So after reading this paragraph, you can easily understand whenever you require the modern technology, whenever you require the modern machinery and the assets, you need to buy it. Whenever you think to buy it, you need to maintain the money कहाँ से आएगी आपकी? Through the finance. So you have to take these things also कि this one is also important for replacing the old assets. Conclusion क्या निकलता है? सीधी conclusion, replacing the old asset with the new one for the modernization of the business and the expansion of the business require corporate finance. Finance is required in all the area. We are learning the importance why finance is important. So we are saying that ki replacement of the old assets can be happen through the finance. Next importance, paying of the dividend and the interest. We have already discussed in the previous section what is dividend. Dividend means the return of the investment, and interest भी आपका क्या होता है? ब्याज होता है. Whatever we earn from the business, we have to distribute it between the members. It may be shareholder, it may be the board member, maybe a investor in the company. So what is the given in the paragraph? Finance is needed to pay dividend to shareholder, interest to creditors and banks. Conclusion क्या है? Overdues and payment can be paid through the corporate finance. So whatever the amount you need to pay as a dividend, or maybe as a loan, maybe a payment to the bank, maybe a payment for the interest, you have to maintain the finance, and it is important. Payment of taxes and the fees. All the business, all the companies, they have to pay the tax to the government. So whenever you are paying the amount, you must have the funding availability. So being a finance manager, you have to maintain your funding. What is given in the paragraph? Company has to pay taxes to the government, such as income tax. Income tax क्या होता है? Whatever you earn as an income, you have to pay the tax to the government. Goods and service tax. This is a new tax. Fees paid to the registrar of the company. On the various occasion, finance is needed for paying these taxes and the fees. So as a company, you have to pay your income tax regularly. Goods and service tax should be also paid. And whatever the changes you do in the business, you have to pay the fees to the registrar. So here we are discussing about the payment of the taxes and the fees. Payment matlab you need the funding, you need the finance. So whenever you need the finance, you have to maintain it. So this is the one of the importance. If why finance is important? Finance is important for paying the taxes and the fees. Conclusion is given, payment of the taxes and other fees require finance.